Having this machine does not necessarily guarantee success in the market, but without it, your business may not even have the capability to compete. In today's increasingly competitive furniture manufacturing industry, QUOCduy's high-capacity CNC scroll saw machine is regarded as a true production powerhouse for large-scale manufacturers, especially upholstery furniture factories and export-oriented furniture producers. The machine delivers outstanding machining performance, capable of processing materials up to 120 millimeters thick in a single operation, achieving productivity levels far beyond those of conventional nesting machines. With standard CNC nesting machines, thick materials often require multiple cutting passes. In contrast, this machine completes the job in a single cycle, significantly reducing processing time and labor requirements. Equipped with the latest generation SD automatic control system, the machine offers simple operation, stable continuous performance, and the ability to efficiently handle large volume production orders. Its high-precision dual router system, combined with a dual-side drilling and positioning mechanism, ensures superior machining accuracy, minimizes errors, and significantly reduces product defects. In a highly competitive market, owning this machine may not automatically make you the industry leader. However, without it, your business could lose its competitive edge from the very beginning. Contact quocduy today for detailed consultation and discover the right solution for your manufacturing needs.